Hey, hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel TechGrantha. As most of the people are waiting for that Sunday special series, and that series is very helpful to each and everyone. Either you are doing the job, either any of the students, any of the kid. So, whatever the people are doing and enjoying the life, I hope the Sunday special video will definitely help you, but still I just want to the some feedback from your side also on the comment box, like those videos will definitely help you or not. Just give the some suggestions and some feedback on the comment box, so accordingly I can understand like how much the video is helpful for you. Okay, so on the today video series I am going to discuss like what's the my daily routine every day, not on the COVID situation only, but before COVID also, what the exactly I did on the entire life, what was it my daily routine is going on, what the things I am planning, what I am doing on the entire day. Okay, so and which is the most important things, because you should know what exactly you want to do. If you are really well prepared like for your activity, you will never disturb on any activity, you will never feel the distraction, you will never feel the disappointment of the any of the things. So just please share the videos to your friend and colleagues, and if anyone missed the previous video series, like we are discussing about the JMeter and the load runner tool which already completed. So on the Tuesday or Wednesday the next video series is going to come about the postman session, so that video will start to release on the from Wednesday. Okay, so let's start our video. So now I am going to discuss the my daily routine of the day. So there is a my am just always be remembering the 5 points which I will share to you guys. So the first thing is like wake up early. So mostly on the every day I wake up at the morning 5 a.m. and it doesn't matter for me like when I slept, because like each person have the own like own setup for the sleeping. Sometimes I'm not sleeping also, like without sleep also I'm just doing the work. Sometimes I sleep only the 2 hours, sometimes of the 3 hours. So it's depend upon the persons, but yeah, definitely I wake up every day, the wake up early at the morning 5 5:30 in between. Then after that, the next step for me, the second thing is like I just divided the my morning 5 to 6 a.m duration as the 20 20 20, like the 1 hour duration I divided on the 20 20 minutes for each 1 hour on three parts. So what the 20 20 20 I'm just doing there, so on the initial 20 minutes, like from 5 to 5:20, I'm just doing the exercise on the every day. Because when you will wake up on the morning, so the morning air and morning environment is so much good, which will make your mind very fresh. With the new morning, new journey will start with the fresh air, fresh mind setup. So every day you should also need to do the exercise. The second 20 days, like after 5:20 to 5:40, I'm just trying to think about myself. Okay, so like what exactly I did on the previous day, what the mistakes I did, what the good things I learned, those things I'm just trying to understand. And the most more important things I just want to tell you guys, just note down the all things on your diary, which is the most important things. I know it is a boring, but when you will note down about yourself, like what the mistakes you did, what the good things you learned, which will make you so much happy and which will make you so much helpful on the further futures. Okay, so the next 20 minutes I am just trying to analyze about myself. And most of the people are so much busy, they are not trying to understand like where exactly you are. So just give the entire 24 hours, have the at least 20 minutes for yourself. And the next 20 minutes, the last 20 minutes from 5:40 to 5:60, I'm just trying to understand like how can I grow up on my career, how can I grow up my skills, how can I grow up my minds, how can I help to the people. So those all things I'm just trying to understand there. So this is the my second activity after wake up. Then I'm just doing that one. The third thing is that I'm just reviewing and the think about the plan for the day. So like whatever the task I assigned for me for today, I'm just thinking like what exactly task is there, and the second things I'm just trying to do there, like I always set the priority of the task. If suppose I listed the 10 tasks I have, so I need to think like which task is so much priority for me, which task should be finished first. So always I move on my life with the priorities, which is the important for me. If suppose one day I plan, no, today morning enjoy with the family is the most priority for me, then I just enjoy with that. If I thought no, talking with the friends is my first priority, then I just do that one. So you guys also need to do like to understand which task you noted down and what the priority list for that. Okay, now the fourth thing is that next day plan every day before sleep, which is a so much important things, guys. And without that it is so much difficult to go ahead. The mean of that, you can save your the day, because whatever you plan to do for tomorrow, so before tomorrow, whenever you are going to sleep for the day, then just note it down your task for the tomorrow. The important things is like how it is helpful for you, because if again suppose you didn't did any of the plan for tonight, and early morning you wake up on tomorrow, the question is that you don't know what the task you need to do, then you are trying to note down, then you are going to work on that, so which will take like half of the day, your time is going to waste only to think about that what you need to do today. So which is the most important things before sleep for the previous day, just note down the task what you need to do on tomorrow. Then the tomorrow morning whenever you are wake up early, then the second point whatever I discussed last 20 minutes, just think about that what the task I need to do for a day. Okay, so this is the my fourth point. The last fifth point is that spend time with the family and do the extra work, and which now with the COVID situation is also so much important. And just enjoy with your friends, try to spend time with your families, your colleagues, and also do the one work like which will make you happy, which is otherwise and the second way you can think about that, like which is so much passion for you. For example, I always feel like to helping to the peoples and sharing my knowledge to anybody, I feel always happy for me. So whenever I am getting the time, I'm just trying to do that one, so which will make me happy, a part of my office work, a part of my uh, other times. So I spend with the family, and after you spend time with the family also I'm getting some time, then I'm trying to do extra activities like how can I do better, how can I make you guys so much valuable sessions, valuable technologies. So those all things I'm just doing on my everyday daily routine activity. So those are the 5 points for me. And just comment on the comment box what's the daily routine plan for you guys. And if out of 5 points, any of the points you are thinking, no, I will implement that one, then it will help for you. Just put on the comment box what the points will help you on the life. Okay. Thanks to all. Thank you so much for support the channel, and just keep loving on your channel and videos. Share the videos as much as possible your friends, colleagues. And the most important thing is like already I announced on the beginning, like the postman session is going to start from the Wednesday. And before, if anyone missed the previous video sessions, just go ahead and watch the series. And if anyone have any doubt, just comment on the comment box. Okay, thanks to all. Thank you so much for your love, your channel. Thank you.